That is not going to hold. Oh dear. Well, hello everyone, it's me, Daniel. Welcome to the benchmark, and as you can see, I have my M3 back. It's not 100% perfect, and it's not even completely finished. There are a few bits that need doing. So it is Sunday today. Tomorrow I've got to go to Leicester. So I had to get the car back slightly early. So a few things aren't quite right. First of all, there's polish stuck in places everywhere. The front end's not fitted properly, and my number plate's not fitted properly. That's my fault. I should have had the protruding bits for number plate ground off, because I always have stick-on plates. And so now, as you can see, the number plate is kind of bent. So, but other than that, I mean, this thing is, it's stunning. I mean, even though it's dirty, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but I mean, it's pretty gorgeous. I mean, even the neighbours came out and go, "My God, that looks amazing." And a couple of people at the petrol station as well were pretty stunned by it. But let's get you some detailed shots so you can see what I mean. Okay, so everything here looks very good. Everything fits pretty nicely, except for, there you go. They're spring loaded, pushed out by this thing. So that needs to be readjusted. Here's the number plate issue. As you can see, those, I guess you call them grommets. Yeah, see that? They kind of stick out and push the number plate out. Yeah, a bit of a problem. This, yeah, as you can see, not 100%. Sort it out. These are new headlight lenses, by the way. Lovely. But also, I have another fitment issue here. Don't know if you can see it. There you go. Either this is sticking out too much, or this is in too much, or maybe this is sticking out too much. It's hard to tell. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Same problem on this side, though. It's a bit more obvious here. Okay, it is a bit dirty, but these are gloss black. I've got new badges for this, but I haven't put them on yet. These are also gloss black. I think it goes with the car. I think it really suits it. Yeah, gloss black and the brown. It just works. It just looks right. Extra little detail here. If I can pick it up. There you go. Yep, that's OEM cover. So it kind of matches the grille. Just like a factory CSL. Remember before there was a load of corrosion here? That is all gone. All lovely and smooth. And it won't corrode again. Shouldn't do. Not for a good few years at least. It's a common problem with these. These are aluminium. So, slight paint blemish here. I mean, you'd have to be very anal to notice it, but it's there. Yes, I have smoked indicator, dark indicator lens. It kind of goes with the car, just like the front indicator. This is brand new. These are old. See, this is the kind of thing I was talking about. Now, originally, when the car had its normal paint job on, nothing really kind of stood out. Everything looked okay. But the minute you put new paint on, things like this show up. Everything from, when these look very worn. But there's not much you can do about it, really, unless you replace everything. It's the same thing here, the sill for the windshield. My windshield is not OEM, it doesn't have the blue tint to it, and it's very haggard. It's got lots of chips and marks on it. I do want to change it, but yeah, finding the time. Alright, moving on. Everything's dirty, please excuse it, but all looks good. This is new. This is actually from a 330 Ci Club Sport, or I think they called it ZHP in America. So it's called Shadow. Is it Shadow Black or Shadow Black Chrome? But it's lovely. It's got this is a factory part, by the way, so it's got a gloss finish, which is much better than what was on there, because that was a matte, and it was incredibly worn out. So now you've got another gloss black trim, which looks brand new, corresponding with the brown. I mean, I couldn't help myself, I had to drive it. The rear bumper's been refitted as best they can do it with the brackets. It still needs something else to pop it up, or prop it up. I know what part it needs, so I will get that sorted, hopefully before Goodwood. Oh crap, my lights are on. How to kill your battery. Okay, so I've left this carbon. It's personal preference, really. I just like the way it looks. You can see those little white bits there. They're just polish. It's not dried up paint or where the paint's missed. They're just a little bit of crusty polish bits. Yeah, I did that. Not too sure myself. I think it's too far to the left, plus. Still need to rejig this. Just a little bit. As you can see, it's just ever so slightly high on the left side. Right side is perfect.